Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do a reverse French tip nail art look using our magnet and velvet tide. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Using velvet tide, apply a thin coat to the bottom half of your nail, leaving a gap for a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed around your cuticles and paint a curve at the top of your polish. Using the big magnet, push the glitter to the side of your nail. Cure for 30 seconds. Using velvet tide, apply it to the tip of your nail. Using the big magnet, push the glitter in the opposite direction. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.